Okay, on this rather overcast November day, welcome rain. Not for real estate agents, but there we go, this is what we have. Here is the property that we're coming to see today. It's in this row of substantial houses in the centre of the very well located small village of Alomartes. We're only 20 minutes away from Montefiore and literally 30 minutes from Granada city and about the same to Granada airport. Okay, small village, nice atmosphere, rural countryside, and this wonderful substantial townhouse is the one that we're coming to see today. Let me take you through the garden gates into this lovely front patio with all the herbs and flower beds. This is really a very nice house. So you've got a garden forecourt with, as you can see, plenty of space to sit outside. Traditional double fronted townhouse, and coming through the substantial front door into this wonderful hallway. Very much to have a grand entrance hallway is becoming a thing of the past. And we can see, just to show you some of the technical bits of all the modern wiring that's been done to this house. Okay, as we come through the entrance hall and through the arch, we come into this wonderful open living space. So on this side we have a very large space for dining table. At the moment this seats 8. This table does extend beyond this. And at this side of the house, the other side of the dining room, is what's currently used as an office, studio space, ample space. Sorry, some of my camera gear is cluttering this corner up. But again, lovely bright space here, lots of space for desk. We have a landline telephone and we've got windows looking out onto the garden forecourt. Very nice. Okay, you can see beyond the dining table the archway through to the kitchen and staircase. And to my left, this now opens up into the very large lounge. Okay, wonderful large family room. Nicely and simply decorated. Again, nice windows on this side to the garden forecourt. Ample storage for books and a nice quiet relaxing reading area. And at this end of the room, obviously used for watching TV. Large sofas, very large wood burner, keeping this space nice and warm. And the windows looking out onto the garden area and the pool beyond. Okay, from here, let me take you through the bottom of the staircase into the kitchen. Many of the traditional features maintained when this house has been restored, but the one thing that has changed is we've now got a really modern kitchen with nice units, all the base units in a darker grey colour with the light worktops. Works really well. We have both gas hob and electric hob. Lots and lots of prep area. So the upper wall cabinets, like the worktops, a lighter colour, darker base units, very modern and nice. This is the area, if you're not using your dishwasher, where you're going to prep and do the washing up. And this looks out onto this amazing Muse style walled garden with pool, which is just fabulous. And here, just one step down from the kitchen we have this amazing utility room, plumbed for automatic washing machine. It houses the electric boiler. Sink unit in here, lots of storage, large fridge freezer in here, and again more storage areas for several microwaves, and back through into the kitchen. Okay, you can see the storage cupboards at this side, and this outer door goes out into the garden and pool area, which we'll show you in a second. Okay, let's take you up this impressive staircase. Lovely even stairs, great on my old knees. Lots and lots of lovely natural light. And coming up now onto the landing area, you can see we have a door out onto the terrace, and coming back around you can see really just what a nice bright stairway this is. Let me take you outside onto the terrace. This is a really nice space, obviously over 20 square meters of terrace here, really useful space. And we can see out from here the outside area, which obviously will show you from ground level 2, with the pool out to the garden and just the olive trees beyond. A little cloudy today, some of the rain very welcome coming this evening. And as you can see, this is a really nice covered area up here. Take you back inside, and again lots of height and space in this house. We have this nice passageway through to the bedrooms and bathrooms, and just to show you this area here, lots and lots and lots of storage. Really great space. Okay, so on the first floor, bedroom number 1. Nice double room, lovely floor tiles, traditionally and tastefully decorated. Plenty of room for dressing tables and some storage alongside the bed. And of course, out of the front we can see the mountains beyond, and of course the greenery of the garden and the patio at the front too, from this lovely balcony. Right across from this larger bedroom is the family bathroom. Again, very tastefully done. Lovely colours, beautifully tiled, 4-piece bathroom with a bath and a shower over, which gives us just about everything we need in the bathroom. Bedroom number 2, another good sized double bedroom. This one at the moment has been set out with twin beds. This has the same orientation as the first double bedroom, so again we've got these great views out over the front garden and the surrounding countryside. And in here we have a very useful small ensuite. We have a vanity unit with a sink inside the bedroom, and then in here again similar tiling, very tastefully done. We have a loo and we have a nice shower unit here inside this bedroom, which they currently use as their guest room, so very useful. And this room here serves with the twin beds for when the family arrives with the grandchildren. currently used for a lot of the owners' storage equipment, and of course, as you'll see in the still photography, with the easel and the nice light coming in from the back from the terrace overlooking the pool. The owners also use this room as their hobby room. Okay, that's the first floor. Okay, let's take you outside, directly from the kitchen into this lovely covered patio, as you can see, with traditional lighting and Granadino tiles on the wall. This is a lovely area to sit, to have some shade before we come out into this wonderful, what I certainly would describe as a muse style garden. Enough area here with canopy above for substantial outside table. Shaded area here to relax out of the sun. Bearing in mind we are in November at the moment. And a wonderful 8 by 4 metre swimming pool, surrounded by wonderful trees, jasmine, lovely pots, fabulous paved all the way around to this lovely raised seating area at the back. Tremendous colours with the palms and these wonderful red trailing shrubs here at the back. Fabulous garden. Blue sky just starting to come out for us after this morning's rain, and you can see here just what a fabulous house this is. Lovely 2-storey house, as you can see from the pictures there. Roof in great condition, pool in great condition, outside shower, and this door here, which I'll take you through in a moment, goes through into the garage. So the garage is accessed from the other side of the house. When I showed you the street, the little village street at the beginning, you can see this is one of the very old farm buildings. Very, very big space. So I've just about got halfway through now, and if I turn back around, you can see going back there that this is a really, really good size space for a workshop. And at this end, besides the tools and the wood, certainly enough space for a family vehicle. And right outside the garage door, this brings us out into the country lane. You may just spot in the distance there, the owner's just kindly opened the garage for me and taken his dogs a walk out towards the countryside, which is just all the way around this property, just surrounded by olive fields, nice large village houses. So this is the garage at the end of this block. This is the corner house as we came in the front door. This is the corner house to the right of ours, the corner house on the block, and their garage door. We have a separate entrance here, and I'll take you back through this very, very great garage and store. If you wanted to run a small business or have a fabulous studio workshop here, then it's dry, and with some great lighting you could definitely work in here. Okay, going back out into the garden, again the raised seating area at the back. This wonderful, very easily maintained pool area, not a property that would need a ton of maintenance if you couldn't be here all the time. And at this part of the garden we have a room which has the boiler, I beg your pardon, the boiler. It has the pool pump, and all the filtration equipment in here. Not quite got around to just decorating this room yet, but it is fully plumbed with a loo and a small sink unit, so that if you're out here in the garden using the pool, you don't have to come back inside the house. And we've also got a good sized store here for all the cleaning and garden equipment, and this also houses a 20,000 litre, I beg your pardon, 2,000 litre water storage tank. When a lot of us came here 16-17 years ago, a lot of these small villages had very slow water connections and quite often had times with no water when it was switched off for agriculture. Now this has all improved incredibly over the last decade, and now these water storage tanks aren't needed for mains water delivered to the house. However, you never know in the future, it's always worth having them rather than taking them out. Okay, fabulous house, wonderful outside space, wonderful tranquil location, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, water closet, toilet outside, fabulous 8x3 metre pool, walled garden which I think is just fabulous, and an amazing garage and workshop.